Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix command prompt not working. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the Start menu and search for Task Manager. Open it, then look for the Windows Command Processor. If it is there, right-click and select End Task. If it is not listed, you can skip this step. Next, go back to the Start menu, search for CMD, then right-click it and select Run as Administrator. If that still does not work, right-click on your desktop, go to New, and select Shortcut. Type in CMD-E, then click Next and Finish. Now right-click the new shortcut, go to Properties, then Advanced, and check the box for Run as Administrator. Click OK, Apply, and Close. Still not working? Go to the Start menu and search for sysdm.cpl. Click it, then go to the Advanced tab and select Environment Variables. In the Path section, click Edit. Then open File Explorer and navigate to your C drive. Open the Windows folder, then the syswow64 folder. Copy the full folder path from the address bar. Return to the Path Edit window, click New, and paste in the path. Click OK to save. Finally, if none of that works, search for Control Panel. Go to System and Security, then System, and click System Protection. Select System Restore and follow the steps to restore to a previous working state. So that's basically how you can fix command prompt not working. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.